Good morning, good life. I try to just start these videos now in the most humiliating way possible. Oh, I have a very good reason for having eye patches on today. Or what are these called? Like iPads, but not like the digital kind. I guess they're called iPads. Today is the book shoot cover day. I couldn't have said that any slower. I think I was just making sure I got all the words in. Hair is first this morning. My makeup artist is gonna meet us at the shoot location because we're kind of getting a really early start today. And I'm excited. We have a number of different things we're gonna do. We're gonna start at a hotel that's downtown, a hotel I'm a super big fan of. I've done multiple photo shoots there and they're just like a huge supporter of me. Whenever I call, I'm like, hey, I need like a really cool location to do something. They were like, yes, you can come. So they're just always amazing. And that's my friends at Levesque. So we're gonna head over there first, Levesque Tower Hotel, and then we are gonna go over to 400 West Rich, which is more of like a creative studio, and do some more like standard shots, you know, like in front of like, kind of like this, like a white backdrop. This is just the blinds on my window though. So we'll do something more stylish at the hotel, kind of classic and cool, and then head to the studio and do some other fun stuff. I have multiple outfits. I'm pretty sure I know exactly what I'm wearing, but like, you know how it's like you don't want to be caught in a situation where you don't have backup outfits? I'm one of those worrywarts, so I've probably overpacked. More importantly, well, I need props. Last time I did a book, I had probably what I'm holding in my hand right now, except for a 3-year-older version, which was a vlogging camera. The front of my book had me and a video camera on the front of it. It was very self-explanatory. It was a pretty easy cover to shoot. We had to get much more creative for this one, so I'm excited to see how that turns out today. I think I need to text Corinne and tell her to go to Kroger and get like the biggest lemons she can find. That's what I think we need, big lemons. I think we can do without this now. It's been 15 to 20 minutes. Are my under eye bags gone? Probably not. Whew, it does feel better though. It definitely feels like you can go about your day now, Amy. Lucy, I'm gonna need your support today at the daycare. While you're there, be thinking of me. Just subconsciously tell me to like smile or something, okay? Okay, same page. This girl's making the planner that's gonna go with my book.
I like the shape of it.
I'm excited, yeah.
I'm like really particular how I like my planners.
Yeah, same. Like the thing is, like it needs to be like relevant, you know?
Is your book done?
It's going through the editing process. It's like the end of the editing process. I still had to write some other pages, like about the author and acknowledgements and stuff like that.
When do you want to have it out by?
December 10th.
It's like a pretty quick.
It's really quick. It's like, holy crap, fast.
How long have you been working on this one?
I wrote it in August. I mean, like I've been like working on the content of it for a couple of years, but like the actual writing I did in August.
Oh wait, you have all these photos. Do you want one of yours? Happy Hits.
Happy Hits sounds like just the place to be right now.
Amazing.
Shout out to Lavender, I'm using your journal in my photo shoot. This is the Ariana School Challenge. Okay, it's very hard. She won with the lemon water.
Oh, that's cute. I'm tired.
For 3. Oh. my God. Okay, I'm very excited that that's done. I'm not gonna lie. It like might seem like I like getting my photo taken, but it's very hard. I'm not like an inherent smiler. It's not something I do. I have to practice really hard to smile. And I also prefer to do like a little smirk. Can't do it now, of course. Like to do a little smirk. I like to smile. I think that even though we took you on this journey today, and I'm so glad that the girls got to be a part of this, I think it was like really fun for all of us to kind of like be creative, and you kind of saw Emma, my photographer, jumping in there. I'll probably introduce you to her another time, but I'm very excited to actually share the cover with you because it may not be exactly what you think it's gonna be. But that took a lot of decision. I mean, like, there was so many things that I wanted to do. There were so many ways I wanted to present, like, what does Good Morning, Good Life mean to me, and what does it look like, and how do you make that work on the cover of a book where you don't have a whole YouTube channel that can help convince people of it. If somebody's just discovering this concept for the first time, it's really hard to like show them what they need to see in order for them to do it, to want it, to try it. So anyways, I'm really excited to share the book cover with you. I can't share it with you yet, obviously, because we just took the pictures, but as soon as I can, I'm gonna show it to you because it's gonna be really great. Or at least that's what I'm hoping for. I hope you think it's great. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm just like a mess over here. Look at this. I really hope that you think it's gonna be great because it was definitely tough to figure out what to do in that situation. It was like, do you do the same thing you did the first time? Do you do something different? How do you tell the story? It's still something I'm questioning, but I think we're going down the right path, and I'm very much looking forward to this little thing showing up on your little Instagram feeds. Like, oh, there it is again. Wow. That was literally the most fun part. No, it wasn't. That was the fun part at launch. It was like seeing people buying the book and taking selfies with it and stuff like that. That was so fun. And then I was like, oh my God, people are actually reading the book. And like seeing what people thought about it and what they wrote about, that's actually the fun part. But when you first start, it's like, I got it. And you're like holding it, or you like take a flat lay or whatever. And I'm just like, oh my gosh. I just can't wait to give you something that you can do that with because I think that'd be fun. And by give it to you, I mean you have to buy it on Amazon. Sorry, that's very misleading. False advertising. Okay, I think we're gonna leave it here because I need to remove all of this makeup and relax. Maybe have some ice cream, that'd be good. That's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate it. As always, make sure you subscribe for good vibes. Kiss the ones you love. And go after the life that you want. Cheers. Hey, are you struggling to find time for the things you love? Feel like you're constantly on the go, but taking care of everyone else first? You are not alone, and you deserve so much more. Not only are you capable of taking on this challenge, you already have all the tools it takes to make it happen. That resourcefulness is all you need to get activated by your new daily mantra. Good morning, good life. It's my new book, and it launches on Amazon on December 10th. More details at goodmorninggoodlife.com. And scene. Subscribe. My hair is literally falling down right now. Girl, get it together. 3. Oh, that's better. We caught it! Yeah.